videoing all the tables. Wave. Wave. That away. That's the way to do it. I'm videoing the tables. You guys need to wave.
Oh, yeah.
That away. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yes. Hamming it up is exactly what we're looking for.
You gotta believe.
Yeah. I'm videoing all the thinking. That's the spirit. These are cute. This is like dessert, right?
It is.
I'll be back.
Almost.
I'll be back. You can come on in. I'm videoing all the tables, so y'all need to wave. That away. Well, you don't have to wave. It's just going straight to the FBI. It's not a problem. You caterers shouldn't have any, restaurateurs shouldn't matter. Oh, look at that. You can come on by. Yeah. This is what I've been waiting for right here. I followed him.
You're about to put your mouth.
There he is. Y'all can wave. You don't have to, but it's good. And these are so cute. I'm coming back for one.
All right.
Maestro,
that guy?
nice to see you. Yeah. Hey there, I'm videoing. And that's okay. I'm Terry. It's okay. I'm Terry.
Roger Dial. Nice to
Hey, I'm
meet
Terry. Nice to meet you. And I'll be make sure I'm in there.
you. Are you through videoing?
I'm videoing all the food tables. So, not that it's a big deal, but all right. I'm videoing all the food tables, so you should wave. That's the spirit. Yeah, you can wave too. You don't have to, but it could come in handy someday. Ooh, look at that. I'm videoing all the food tables, so they're busy. Excellent. One more. I'm videoing all the food tables, so it's pretty darn important. These guys are working hard too. You can wave. That's the spirit. Bravo.